Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to make a quick video on how to repurpose the custom value system from one offer to the next using the custom GPT that I'll be opening up here in a second. So we're going to open the custom GPT, and I'll be putting a link to this in the document that you'll receive. And the custom GPT is Desiree. Okay. So, once you open the custom GPT, you're just going to click this little button right here. Okay. Click the little button, and then it's going to ask you, to provide the details of the new offer. Okay. Which I already have ready right here. Okay. Now, one thing I'll mention, okay, is that this isn't all of the custom values. Okay. These are only like the pertinent parts that need to be repurposed. Okay. So for example, let's take a look at all of the custom values. The reason why I'm not going to put all of the custom values in there, because some of them are so self-explanatory that, so here's the full list of custom values. There's 50 of them here. Okay. But like the review link, no need to have the custom GPT repurpose that. Okay. Re-engagement message, same thing. Okay. It's the same re-engagement message in everything that I use. Okay. Things like that. Let's see, the timeout messages, they're the same. You know what I mean? So no need to put those in there. Okay. And the reason why, let's just find a couple more. Okay. Where we're not going to put in a landing page. We don't need, it's just a placeholder anyway, basically. Okay. So there's a lot of stuff in there, quite a few things in there that don't need to be put into the bot. Okay. And the reason why I don't put those in there is because I don't want to overload the GPT with too much information. I just want the GPT to repurpose what I need it to repurpose, and that's it. Okay. So I'm just giving it the pertinent information that I need to be repurposed. Okay. So basically this is it right here. Okay. Here's the master template. Okay. And this can change based upon, whatever you're repurposing from. Okay. So for example, once we create the template for this new facial offer, okay, we can use that as the master template to go from, a facial to Botox, or a facial to Juvederm, or, a million other things. Okay. So you want to have your new offer details. Okay. And you want to have them structured like this. Okay. Consultation type. Okay. I didn't finish the consultation type one. Free. We'll just call it free skincare. Free skincare consultation. Okay. So you want to have your new offer details set up like this. Okay. And it's easy. It's not hard to get them set up like this. You can use the same GPT to help you get them set up like that. Okay. Or you can just use like regular chat GPT to do it too. It's not hard to get them, to get it set up like that. Okay. But just notice how, there's no period. The benefits, it's written in a certain way. It starts with a lowercase, brighten, nourish, and rejuvenate her skin. It's talking about a woman here. The benefits to one person. Okay. Just try to get your new offer details just like this. And again, just use AI to help you if you need help with that. You can take these, you can take these offer details, okay, pump them into Chat GPT and give it a prompt that just says, repurpose, you could take this part out, the offer details master template, but just say, repurpose the following structure, syntax, and lack of terminal punctuation, but make it appropriate for, Botox or something like that. Okay. And it's going to do it pretty well for you, and just brush it up a tiny little bit if necessary, just to make sure that the structure is, very close to this right here, or exactly like this right here, but appropriate for the new offer. Okay. So, this video assumes that you're able to create this right here. Okay, this is easy. This isn't no issue right here. Okay, you should know your offer description. You should know your benefits. You should know what it includes. You should know what it targets. You should know what the gift voucher is about and what it applies to, etc. Okay, consultation type, you should know that. Appointment type, you should know that. Location, obviously, you should know that. Okay, but once you have that, okay, and once you come into the custom GPT and click that little button that I showed you, okay, essentially all you got to do is come down to the bottom, okay, select all of this straight like that, and that's our little prompt right there. Repurpose to offer details, master template structure, syntax, and lack of terminal punctuation, but make it appropriate for the new offer details. Okay, so just copy that, copy, come into the GPT, paste, okay, and then just press the button, and then it'll do its work. And usually it's 90+% accuracy when it does it. There's very little that you're going to have to do from here, and it just takes a minute to load up, so we'll just wait for this to load up. And once all that loads up, okay, then you're just going to put them in with the actual custom values list. So you might want to have 2 tabs open, okay, and just copy and paste from one, same document, 2 tabs open, just copy and paste from one tab to the next, okay. Fill in the details, of the stuff that didn't get replaced. So for example, the Google Maps link, appointment location link, I'm using the Google Map link to the business for that. Pop in, your client's Google Maps link, okay. Pop in the bot name. Is it Bella? Is it, whatever it is, okay? What's the bot role? Client care specialist, etc. Okay, pop in any information that needs to be customized, okay? The landing page link, etc. Okay, and then just pop in whatever was repurposed. Copy all this into a document, okay? A tab in a document or whatever, okay? And then have the full custom value list open in another tab, and just copy and paste, right from one tab to the next, okay? And there it goes right there. And so we'll just copy that. Whoops. Oops. I think you guys get the point. Here, we'll just do that again real quick. Copy, okay? Take a look at it, take a quick look at it. And I can tell just by looking at it that it's good to go. Boom, 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 boom. $50 gift voucher, skin type, hydration. Yeah, this is good. There's nothing I have to do to this, okay? This starts with a 2, and that'll be apparent to you why it starts with a 2 when you get to a workflow. Sorry, I'm in the wrong sub account. Actually, that'll be apparent to you when you get into the workflow and you see how the email notification and some of the SMSs for appointments are structured and stuff like that. So we can use this structure for any kind of offer, okay? It's easy to replicate, it's easy to repurpose, but yeah, we copy it just like I did there, okay? And then I'm not going to go through the process of copying and pasting it into documents because I already got it done anyway. Just wanted to show you guys how to repurpose the custom values system structure, okay? And now one more quick little nugget, let's say your facial ad that you want to do for your client or your lash extensions ad isn't 002. Let's say it's 004 or 001 or whatever it is. You already might have 001, 002, 003 in your account, okay? In your sub account, okay? In this case, Command F, find 002. Click the three dots. Replace with 001 or 008 or 7, whatever you need it to replace with. Okay, you can change those numbers in one shot. Okay, but let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if that makes sense or if you need assistance.